Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use your ArcGIS account created in the last video, how to use it to activate your ArcGIS your 1 year subscription ArcGIS for personal use. It's very simple. ArcGIS Online. Sign in. Use your account, Google account. Pricing. For individual, ArcGIS for personal use, added to Chekout. Go to Chekout. Check continue checkups. Persona. Provide this information. Phone number. We'll continue to check out. Checkouts. Use your code PRO. And apply. Order total $0. Review order. Agree. Submit order. Few minutes later, you will receive an email from E3 that confirms that order confirmation. After a few minutes, you will receive another email from E3. I'll show you how to activate your ArcGIS personal desktop for personal use. Here. We'll just follow the steps to activate your license. You will get a link to activate your license. Let's take some time. This is all detail about your own quantity, price, GIS promo, GIS date, code promo, number of customer, information, all personal information. Next steps show you what you can do, what you will do. Check email inbox. Check your inbox for your order confirmation and voice. Here you will also find a link to access and download your software. Access software sites. The link your order confirmation email will take you to your self-service software site. Provision and download. Once you have loaded in to my E3, you will be taking trial instruction to provision ArcGIS Online and download ArcGIS Pro and ArcGIS Desktop. Okay, this is the message from E3. Simple click on the link, visit your full filmed page on my E3. Not now. Check sure not now. And you can. This is your ArcGIS desktop for personal use, license subscription. You can activate your GIS professional subscription, and you can install. They show you how you can install Pro, ArcGIS Pro and extension and apps. You can install ArcGIS Desktop ArcMap. There is a new version of ArcMap. It's 10.8.2. Okay. Look, how to activate your GIS professional subscription? Go to ArcGIS Online and activate your organization subscription by converting your existing ArcGIS public accounts or creating a new account. I highly recommend that you can easily convert in your existing ArcGIS and not create a new one. Just convert your existing ArcGIS public accounts. Okay, activate your subscription certificate. By converting, we will activate our ArcGIS subscription by converting an existing ArcGIS public account. Next, upgrade accounts and use your Google account to activate to sign in. Sign in with your Google account. Next, okay, you can specify the organization name like yes. Organization short time, you can choose any name do you want. Okay, and save and continue. Without number, yes. Organization short name, we will provide this name without number, okay? Save as continue. Rule, that is you available. Yes, you will have this message available. Save and continue. No. Okay. This is your organization against this markup. You will have 100 for credit. After that, you will use your credit to activate license. None. Okay. Check setting. On mode for mode. Setting my setting. Yeah. Okay. And use licensing. And come on. That is it, baby. Back to classic medicine. Click. I will show you how to install ArcGIS Pro and extension. Go to download and install. It's very easy. Sign into ArcGIS Pro with the account you activate in step 1. Okay, download. You can choose to download ArcGIS Pro or ArcGIS Desktop ArcMap and other projects. You can download other projects like ArcGIS City Engine. Okay, I have agree. Check this and accept all. And you can download and install ArcGIS. It's very easy. Once you are downloading and installing ArcGIS Pro, you can use your Google account to activate ArcGIS, to have access to ArcGIS. Very simple. No. Okay. Okay. Well, sure. Okay. Uh, well, we should the people and whatever. Uh, Right. Yeah. Okay. You can use ArcGIS Pro as you like. You have 1 year subscription. Thanks. See you.